Hello guys, and welcome back to another review on this channel. Let's just say I haven't done a review on this channel in so long. Well, I did the graphic novel, but I haven't really done reviews in a while. So I just wanted to bring this back a little bit, as this is actually how this channel actually started, by reviews. So, today we'll be reviewing the 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. Also, should be up by now. The 13th Doctor action figure should be up now, as I will be reviewing that as well. But onto this one right now. So, first of all, we always talk about the packaging first. So, the keeping with the whole cylindrical tube thing that they got going on. So on the front there's electronics, lights and sounds, which is good because you actually need that in a sonic screwdriver. New diagnostic sound effect. BBC Doctor Who 5+, 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. It's made by Character Options, and again it has electronic sound effects and lighting. We have a big picture of the TARDIS, and then we have a big big window on the front to show off the Sonic in all of its glory. A lot of people aren't a fan of this design, by the way. And then on the back we've got our legal guff, really. Just legal shit. And that's that for the box, really. So let's crack this box open and take a look at the sonic screwdriver itself. So after the whole ages it took to take the top bit off, you slide it out and hearing, well, a little plastic shell thing is the 13th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, which I'm gonna have to try and pop out now. So I'll just get this out of the packaging. Well, carry on with old traditions. Here's all the packaging we all know and love. Now here is the sonic screwdriver itself. It's pretty big. And basically, just to start it off, we're gonna pull this tab out. Just give me a second to pull out the tab. There we go. Throw that down there with all the other rubbish. And here it is, the 13th Doctor's sonic screwdriver. So this turns on, well, oh, that's kind of cool. So the lights light up in here, and pressing this button didn't actually do anything, but pressing this button should hopefully light up the Sonic. And then so you gotta press both buttons to okay, this is kind of confusing. So this one, so let's just go for like the details now. So for details wise, the Sonic is pretty good. It's got a few screw holes in the back though, which is interesting. So this button's just here for show. It doesn't actually do anything. But from the end, the paint apps are good. It does look like the one from the actual show. And I do like that it lights up all the way from the top down. So when it's when it's switched on, it's a bright LED that runs all the way down. So let's see if there's any hidden sounds like the 11th Doctor's. Okay, so you've got this. So they're the two sounds that you have. I also like the little click. That works really, really well. So this sonic screwdriver. Oh yeah. Also, if you just press that, it does sort of light up for a bit. For some reason, it just goes down. So okay, it's going, yeah. So overall, I really, really like this sonic screwdriver. It's good. It kind of a little bit awkward put in your hand, but when you get it in the hand, it's usually pretty much alright. I do like the sound, the lighting with this Sonic 2. I do think it's very, very good. I wasn't a fan of the model at the start, but it's kind of growing on me a little bit, so that's good. So that's that one. Now let's compare it to a few of the other ones. So here's all the other sonic screwdrivers. So let's compare it with the 10th Doctor's. It's quite big compared to the 10th Doctor's, as you can see. The 10th Doctor's extended. It's about the same size, but the emitter sort of takes a bit bigger. So this 10th Doctor Sonic is from Universal Remotes, and it's very, very good build. But yeah, it just kind of look a bit weird though, I believe. When I pick it up, it sort of switches itself on, which is kind of like, I believe that's kind of cool. No, I kind of like that feature. Now let's compare it to the 11th Doctor's Sonic. Now, it's a lot smaller than the 11th Doctor's Sonic. Which is kind of cool. As I'm kind of not a massive fan of the chunkier Sonics. I know a lot of people would agree with me, but this one again is from Universal Remotes, and it flicks open. Sorry, it flicks open, and you can see it's very small compared to it now. This one's the character options toy, but this one is from Universal Remotes. But now let's go up against the 12th Doctor's toy. As you can see, a lot smaller, which is good. But with the 10th, the only trouble with these 12th Doctor's Sonic is I would have liked the design so that these claws open up and this part extends, maybe, or something cool like that. Again, this had a few different settings on. This one's a bit smaller, but when you grab it, powers on, and then there we go. So overall, I really like this sonic screwdriver. I would like to get the Roboto replicas one, but I don't know if I can at this point in time. But to compare it to the Roboto replica quality, this is the 11th Doctor's Shark-Eating Sonic. It's got a good deal of weight to it, bright LED, and it looks really, really cool. So I would like to see what they do with this sort of design, but yeah, overall I like it. I kind of think that there are a few screw holes and things, but I do like the idea when you pick it up that I really, really like the idea of it kind of fits quite nice. So so yeah, that was my review of the 13th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Let's get this, and peace.